In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a file in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change a file's name quickly and confidently without affecting its contents or sharing settings. First, log into Google Drive. Open your browser and go to the Drive homepage. Sign in with the Google account that has access to the file you want to rename. If you use multiple accounts, double-check you're in the correct one. It also helps to confirm whether the file lives in My Drive, a shared folder, or a shared drive, because your ability to rename depends on your permissions. If you don't see the option later, you might only have view access and need edit rights. Next, go to the folder containing the file you want to edit. You can navigate through your folders on the left, or use the search bar at the top to find the file by name, and then open its folder. Taking a second to verify the file is the right one saves you time, especially if there are similar names or versions. Now right-click on the file. On a mouse, that's a standard right-click. On a trackpad, a two-finger click usually does the same thing. If your device is set up differently, you can click once to select the file, and then use your system's context menu gesture to open options. You should see a menu with several actions. Click on Rename. This option is typically in the middle of the menu. If you don't see it, that often means you don't have permission to rename that file, or you're viewing a shortcut rather than the actual file. Type in the new name. Keep your naming clear and descriptive so you and your collaborators can find files later. Avoid special characters that aren't allowed by your system. For Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, you don't need to add file extensions. For uploaded files like PDFs or images, it's best to keep the extension at the end of the name so other apps recognize the file type. Finally, confirm or click OK. You can also press Enter to save the change. The rename takes effect immediately and will sync across your devices. Renaming won't change the file's contents, location, or sharing settings, and existing links to that file generally continue to work as before. If you're in a shared drive, remember that managers may control who can rename items. That's it. Log in, open the right folder, right-click the file, choose Rename, type your new name, then confirm. If this helped, feel free to apply the same steps to organize your drive with consistent, meaningful names.